Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Poco X3 GT versus the Realme 8 Pro. And guys, the Realme 8 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor with 8GB of RAM, while on the Poco X3 GT we have a MediaTek Dimensity 1100 processor which is based on 6nm architecture, and also we have 8GB of RAM as well. On the back we have quad cameras on the Realme 8 Pro, while on the Poco X3 GT we have a triple cameras on the back. We have a 64 megapixel main camera on the Poco, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a 108 megapixel main camera. So I am really excited to see that how is the Realme 8 Pro is stack up against the Poco X3 GT in apps opening speed as well as in the boot up test. So one way to find out. And guys, now let's see the boot up test. Here we go. And the logo came up first on the Realme 8 Pro as compared to the Poco X3 GT, and guys, in both phones is running on Android 11. We have a MIUI version 12.5, while on the Realme we have Realme UI 2.0. And you can see in the Poco X3 GT it is a super fast phone when it comes to booting up. And the Realme 8 Pro now it is also done, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference between these two devices. And guys, you can see that and both phones has a very different display. We have a Full HD IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate on the Poco X3 GT, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a Full HD Super AMOLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate, no high refresh rate display. And also we get a punch hole on both phones, which is on the center on the Poco, while on the Realme. While on the left hand side on the Realme 8 Pro. So now let's see apps opening speed. Everything's closed up in the background, no application is running in the background. Now let's see phone dialer. That is exactly the same on both phones. Again, we have different animation on both phones. Now let's see settings. That is a little bit more faster on the Realme if I'm not wrong. Now let's go to the display, and you can see we have 120Hz refresh rate as compared to 60Hz, no high refresh rate display option on the Realme 8 Pro. Now let's see Amazon shopping on both phones, same Wi-Fi network as well. Faster on the Realme 8 Pro, so that's really interesting result. Now let's see the scrolling, much smoother on the Poco. Again, we have 120Hz refresh rate, no comparison between 60 versus 120Hz. Now let's check out some games application. Now let's see Candy Crush Saga. Faster on the Poco X3 GT as compared to the Realme, about half a second difference there. Instagram, faster on the Realme. Let's see Pinout, faster again on the Poco X3 GT as compared to the Realme 8 Pro. Let's see Snapchat, faster on the Poco. Let's see Spotify, again more faster on the Poco. Subway Surfer, and again more faster on the Poco X3 GT, which is obvious because we have a Dimensity 1100 processor. Let's see Temple 2, and also we have a dual speakers on the Poco, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have single speaker, which is also very loud as well, but not as good as the Poco X3 GT speaker. So X3 GT it is done, while the Realme 8 Pro now it is also done. Let's opening up the router. Faster on the Realme. Zedge, and faster yes on the Poco X3 GT. So now let's see the scrolling. Again much smoother on the Poco X3 GT because of the 120Hz refresh rate. So last time I launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one. More faster on the Poco. Now let's see internet browsing speed. I am seeing for Google Chrome on both phones. Now let's see Wikipedia.org, faster on the X3 GT as compared to the Realme. Now let's see the scrolling. In the start I see little bit lag on both phones. Now let's open this English. Faster on the Poco X3 GT. Now let's see the scrolling again, more smoother on the Poco X3 GT. And next on the list is the Apple.com, and should be more faster on the Poco. Yes, it is faster there, as you can see. Now let's see the scrolling. much smoother on the Poco X3 GT. So guys, now let's see RAM management on both phones, and both phones has a 8GB of RAM. Now let's see that who is perform good in the RAM management. Phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, no refresh. Amazon shopping, let's see Candy Crush Saga. Instagram, let's see Pinout. Let's see Snapchat. Let's see Spotify. Subway Surfer. Let's see Temper and 2. Let's see the Twitter, Zedge. Last way back to the internet browser where if we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the apps opening speed, as you can see that and the Poco X3 GT, it is more faster phone as compared to the Realme 8 Pro in game app loading time as well as in system-based application. In terms of the RAM management wise, and both phones is performed really good in the RAM management, no refresh on both phones. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Poco X3 GT versus the Realme 8 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.